Want to Rem try this. It's a Wish crackers. It's spicy flavor and it's very crunchy. Meron tayong badyaw dito.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
It's me, Trisha.
I'm Sean.
And Ash.
Welcome back sa aming channel. It's me, Trisha, and welcome back sa aming channel, which is the Filipino and British couple. So, for today's video, guys, i-share ko kung ano-ano yung mga ugali na ayaw ng mga ugali at gusto ng mga fam. Siyempre, tayong mga Pilipino, meron tayong mga ugali na gusto at ayaw, or minsan may mga ugali tayo na hindi nagugustuhan talaga ng ating mga partner o ng mga afam. So, ngayong video to, i-share ko guys kung ano-ano nga po ba yung mga ugali na gusto at ayaw ng isang kano. So guys, usually we call afam, which is foreign or kano. So, nasanay tayong tawagan yung mga kano, mga foreign na afam. Kasi pag tinawag natin afam, alam na natin kung ano yun, di ba? So, ngayong video na to, sasabihin ko yung mga ugali na ayaw at gusto nila. So, first guys, dapat hindi ka maluho. Or hindi ka panay shopping, like, yung mga bagay na hindi mo naman kailangan, bili ka ng bili, dapat hindi ganun. Kasi ako, guys, hindi talaga ako ganun na klaseng tao. I don't like yung mga pag-shopping na yan. Kung bibili man ako, yun yung mga important lang talaga na kailangan ko at gagamitin ko. So, hindi ako nag-shopping for just fun or for, that's why ako yung tipong taong boring talaga. So, yun, I admit that I'm boring because I don't want or I don't like doing the shopping. Even my partner na gusto niya mag-shopping ako, or he always saying to me, no, what if you go out and shopping, something like that. And ako, I don't like it. I'm happy to stay at home and doing the stuff or simple stuff that I really love and I really like to do. So, yun lang. Second guys, kailangan hindi mo lagi inaaway yung partner mo nang walang dahilan. Well, ako, dumadating ako sa point na, my mood is not good sometimes. And yun yung mga nagiging dahilan kung bakit nag-aaway kami. Pero hindi yung usually na-away na may kita yun ng bubugan, salitaan, hindi ganun. But yun yung mga, isa rin yun sa mga rason kung bakit ayaw ng mga afam sa ganung ugali. So, iwasan natin ang pagiging palaaway sa ating partner. Ako naman, di naman ako usually talaga palaaway. Dumadating na ako sa point na moody ako, especially if I have period, guys. I'm so moody and I choose to be quiet. Kasi if I'm not in the mood and then I talk and anything, ayun, mag-start na yung mood ko, hindi na maganda. So, if I have period, I'm so quiet, and my man knows that if I'm so quiet, I have period. Yun. So, iwasan yung alawayan yung mga partner nyo nang walang dahilan naman, kasi hindi yun maganda sa relationship nyo. Guys, always remember, guys, na give and take kayo. Hindi yung palaging ikaw, hindi palaging siya. So, give and take. Ako kami dalawa, we fight, we fix, and we stay to each other kasi we love each other. So, guys, pangatlo is dapat hindi ka seloso at selosa. Siyempre, tayong mga Pilipino ay napakaseloso at seloso natin. At isa na ako dun. And I admit naman yun. Pero, nilulugar ko naman kung ano yung dapat kong ilugar. Or, magiging selosa ako kung alam kong mali na yun. And if I know naman na nothing wrong with that, yes, I'm not jealous. But if I know that you doing is not good na, yes, I'm jealous and yeah, I'm start mad or annoyed or not feeling okay and moody. Guys, alam nyo, kapag naging palagi kayong seloso o seloso sa mga partner nyo, syempre magagalit yan dahil dyan mag-start yung away nyo, magkakaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, kaya dapat mas linawan or lakayan nyo pa yung pag-unawan nyo kasi minsan ang pagiging seloso at seloso ay nakakasira ng inyong relasyon. So guys, always remember na hindi ka dapat magselos sa mga bagay na dapat hindi naman pagselosan. And syempre guys, hindi ko nila lahat, not all, but some Filipinos, some Filipina, you know, doing cheating, and while they're on relationship, no, some Filipina doing or talking to other foreign, you know, and they not even thinking what their partner feel if they find out that she is talking to other foreign. Okay, so guys, always remember na hindi mo naman kailangan pang mangloko ng ibang tao. And you need to be loyal to your partner, guys, okay? It's so hard to find a true love. Always remember that. So, kailangan mo maging loyal sa inyong partner, okay? Kung gusto niyo makahanap talaga at kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng love for last until your last breath, you need to be loyal and you need to be you know, be true. Don't cheat, please. Lastly guys is yung palagi ka nang hihingi ng pera. That's the red flag. Especially para doon sa mga taong friends pa lang kayo or weeks pa lang kayo magkakilala, humingi ka na ng pera agad sa kanya. Guys, that's the red flag. Ayun yung ugali na ayaw din ng mga afam. Okay? And ako, based sa akin, I never ask naman. No? Lalo na kung hindi ko kailangan. At siguro magtatanong ako or ihiram ako kapag alam kong emergency, really need ko talaga. Yes, I will ask. But kung alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko kailangan, never akong mag-ask sa kanya. Siguro antayin ko na siya may kusang magbigay. Mas maganda yun kasi yung ikaw yung mismo hingi ng pera. So, that's the red flag, guys. Okay? Guys, you know, my man is very workaholic. He loves doing work and he don't like na magstay lang and nothing to do. And he loves doing, actually. That's why he is so busy person and I'm so proud to have him in my life. I'm so lucky and I always told to myself nga when I was a kid that one day I wish I found a guy na mabait and, you know, kind and respectful person. And I'm so thankful to God that He answered my prayer. And, you know, God put me in a relationship, which is a long distance relationship, but I'm so happy and I'm so happy and contented to have him in my life. And yun, thank you for everything you did for me, my love, and always remember, I really appreciate the things that you do for me, not for only me but also my sibling. So yun lang guys, please like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos and updates. Bye!